Today in front of me I have the ARLO Pro 3 bundle, and in this video I'll show how you can update the firmware in this device. So to start, you will need to take your phone, then launch the ARLO Secure app, open the devices section, tap at the device you would like to update the firmware for, like let's start with the base station. Next, tap at this icon here, go into the firmware, and if there will be any updates, you will be able to get them from here. As for the camera, also tap on it, or well, let's go with this camera instead. Then open its settings, tap at its icon on top, go into the firmware once again, and once again, if there will be any firmware updates available, you'll find them here and will be able to install them from here as well. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.